Thunderbird, so I'm heading back to the shop and we'll unload it over there and start working on it. I'll see you there. We're good? Yeah. It's the next day, but I ran out of battery yesterday. Today the 36 Ford truck is supposed to leave at last, so I can't wait for that to happen. The tow truck is supposed to be here around 8:30 this morning, so yeah, I need this truck out of here. It was a mistake taking it in to start with. Definitely much bigger project than I anticipated, and too risky for the business right now. That's definitely not something we can afford to work on right now. That's what I told the owner. I told him I wouldn't charge him for the tow and that he could take it away. So I stored it for about a week, and finally today he's taking it away to another shop. Well, as you could see, I went and picked up this one yesterday. So yeah, like I already explained, same deal as for the Sport Fury. We pretty much need to put it back together. So all the mechanical side of it is finished. It runs and drives from what I've been told. I haven't started it up yet, but it runs and drives, and we just have to put everything back together. So everything is here, and we'll start on that on Monday probably. We've made quite a bit of progress on the Valiant here. The engine is painted and we started putting everything back together here, and hopefully on Monday, Tuesday we should be able to put it back in the car. This one, we just need to adjust the valves. We got the gasket for the exhaust that we were waiting on. The only hold up right now is, as always, the brake cylinders that we haven't received yet. I sent the other ones back, but I haven't received the new ones yet. So as soon as this is in, then we'll finish everything up, and yeah, we'll restart this car and hopefully it'll be out of the shop too. Apart from that, I bought a couple of new pieces of equipment yesterday. As you could see, we now have a sandblasting cabinet. I haven't tested it yet, but we were spending so much time cleaning hardware with the wire brush that it didn't make sense, so I just invested in that, and hopefully that will save us and our customers a lot of time and money. I also bought an ultrasonic cleaner. I haven't unpacked it yet, but it's always good to have, and I'll get it unpacked and in service in the next few days. Right now I'm waiting for a 79 Cadillac to be delivered here. It's got problem with the injection system, and hopefully we'll be able to figure that out next week. So it should be delivered here in about an hour or so, and after that I'll probably close down everything and go home for the weekend, or what's left of it. time being, I think I'm gonna stop this video here. Wish you all a good weekend. Thank you for following everything we're doing here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that like button or thumbs up button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.